Hi guys! Sorry I couldn't be in class with you today, but I have a meeting, so I'm making this video for 3rd and 2nd graders that have not done their party supplies project yet in Google Classroom. So these are your instructions, so make sure that you're watching really carefully, and you might even have to watch this video more than once. If you get stuck on your project, you might have to go back to the video and watch it again. So first thing you're going to do is open up your project, that way you can see both of your attachments. So the first attachment you're going to see is this list of party supplies. You can zoom in here with the plus sign so it gets a little bit bigger. And you can see you have 22 cupcakes, 10 apples. So these are a list of items you'll need for a party. You can hit your back arrow here and open up your green template. This is where you're going to start your project. Okay, so if I'm going to come back in here and open up both. That way I have both things open. So I'm going to switch back and forth between my class and my template here. Okay, what you're going to do in your heading is make it say party supplies, and we're going to also list the number needed. Okay, I'm going to go back to my list, and I'm going to choose 10 items on this list, any 10 that you would like. So let's say I'm going to start with cupcakes because we all love cupcakes. So my party supply is cupcakes, and the number needed on this list says 22. So then I will put 22 in here. Okay, next if I might do 20 burgers. So I'll get all of our food taken care of. So burgers, and it says 20 on that list. Okay, I'm just going to do 2 for my example today. That way it's not super long, but you're going to go down to number 11 and that'll be 10 items. Since this first line isn't actually a party supply, it's just our heading. Okay, but once you have all of your items typed out, remember you can zoom in if you want to see better. I'm going to click and drag over what I need and change my font. Remember, it has to be click and drag to select it. Change my font to whatever I would like. Change my size. And then we know we have to resize our cells. So we'll click in between this A and B, get our 2 arrows there and double click. Double click. Okay, that way, or I could click and drag. Okay, I'm also going to center my numbers, so I'm going to click and drag over my numbers and come up to my alignment so that they're in the middle. I'm also going to click and drag over each individual row and come up to my paint bucket and choose a nice pastel color. Oops, our heading should be gray, right? And then click and drag over a nice pastel color. Click and drag. There we go. One last thing we're missing is our border. So I'm going to click and drag over my entire table, come up to my border button next to my paint bucket, and choose to fully fill it in. Remember, your table is going to be a little bit bigger. I'm just doing a really short one with only 2 items. The next thing you're going to do is click and drag over my entire table to insert my chart. I'm going to go over to my chart button, click, be patient while it generates my chart. And here it gave me a pie chart. I want it to be a bar graph. So if it gives you a pie chart, under data, we'll have to go to chart type and change it to our column chart. Okay. And yours should go on without a hitch. Mine is being a little bit silly for a second. So there we go. Okay. I'm going to click and drag it over so I can move it. And I have my chart. If you are able to customize it, I know some of my 3rd graders have been doing that. You can feel free to go ahead and customize. Okay, under chart style, if you want to do your background, make it 3D. 2nd grade, if that's confusing to you, then don't worry. As long as you have your chart on here, you're good to go. And remember, yours is going to have more bars on here because I only have 2 items. Last step, so I've moved this so that I can see everything. My last step is we're going to put a picture of a party supply on here. So just like we've done before in Google Slides, we're going to come up to Insert, down to Image, looks like little mountains, and then we have to be able to search. So we're going to click on Search so that we can search for that picture. And I'm going to type in Party Supply. I'm either going to do my best spelling. And I see some things here that I would like. So here's a nice balloons. So I'm going to click on this one and select. Be patient while it uploads, and then I'm going to click and drag it so that I can see everything. Everything's on one nice page. Okay, can you see that? Now let me show you another example. I could go to, let's go down to a 2nd grade class. Where are you, second grade? Oh, right here. I just left Mrs. Ruggles. So if I go to someone that's done, here's Miss Lily's. We'll click on hers, and we can see her example. She's got quite a few things typed in here, but you're going to see she has her table. She's got a party, some partying dogs over here, and she has her chart. Okay, so those are 3 things that you're going to need. Your table, and you guys only have to go down to number 10, your bar graph or your chart, and a picture. And remember, we'll do that by going Insert Image. Okay, you're going to have to do your absolute best on this. I realize I'm not here, so you can ask those around you as long as you stay quietly. So 3rd grade and Mrs. H's class, yours is going to look like in here. You guys are doing this. You're going to stay nice and quiet for me, work as best you can. If for some reason you need help on something or you can't figure it out, then I will help you next time. But you're going to try to do your absolute best and get as much done today as you can. Okay, remember to click on the name of it so that way you can see both of these things. Okay, have fun, and I'll see you next time. Be good.